in different countries. And if you...
I'm not watching John Oliver right now. Alright, welcome to my 15th video. As you all know, my name is Juilliard. I will be showing you how to put this, it's called the Glass Pro Premium Tempered Glass. Premium. So it's spelled P-R-E. Shut up! It's spelled P-R-E-M-I-U-N. Tempered. Spelled correctly, I believe. Glass. Screen protection. The leading brand of global high-end digital accessories. It says Hign-END. I literally don't. Anti-ultraviolet, air bubble proof, good touch feeling. Good touch feeling. Assuring transparency? What does that even mean? Make sure to wash your hands thoroughly. Okay, well, let's go. Wipe your screen with a microfiber cloth and the included alcohol swab. Alright, well, first of all, there's so much shit in here. Like, there's like this, and this, and this, and this. Oh, this must be the screen. Oh shit, there's 3 of them. Yes! They were also $3 on Amazon, so, let's hope that it, like, works well, because I'd like to use it forever. Microfiber cloth? Well, this says wipes. This says wipes. This one says dry and this one says wet. They all say dry, wet, dry, wet. So, like, one of them's this and one of this. Alright, so I'm gonna use this wet alcohol wipe to clean this thing. Now, so let me see if there's any. This is not wet. This is not wet. Adjust the position of the glass before the actual installation. Peel, period. Lowercase peel the protective layer, all one word, off the adhesive side. Carefully align the glass and the cutouts to the screen and slowly begin the application process. Make sure not to touch the adhesive with your fingers. Hold onto the glass by the sides and place it onto the surface of the device. 4. Process. Make sure not to touch the adhesive with your fingers. It really doesn't want you. It's like, there was definitely somebody who just like kept touching the adhesive, and they had to put it in there twice so that way they wouldn't get like in trouble again. Someone was really putting their hands all over the adhesive. Okay, well, it doesn't even like really show me how to do anything. It just says to put the screen on. Like the whole set of rules just said put the screen on. Here's a dust absorber. It's just a sticker that, you know. can't tell. Stop. Stop. Okay, okay, so here's the screen. Okay. Guessing it goes on like that. Yup. It seems kind of small. It seems very small. Well, that's what you get when you order 3 phone cases for $3.95 off of Amazon. Why didn't I just order 2 nice ones that cost like $9? I don't know why I did this to myself, but now it's time to put the screen protector on, so let's get to it. Alright, so I'm gonna turn my phone off completely because it's being a bitch. Oh, I don't have a charger, dude. I don't know how I'm gonna live tonight. So I'm going to be wiping this swab, supposed to be the wet one, all over here. I honestly don't care if I get bubbles in it because, like, this piece of shit, man, like, I can't even tell if it doesn't have anything on it. That's how, like, good it looks to me, you know? I can't tell if it's off or not. It's, like, turning blue, but it's not off. Everything is so weird. Okay. Now I'm going to try to put the screen on. I think. There's like no dust floating around the room, I guess. Oh, it finally just went off. I can't tell if my eyes are broken or like if it really does just look perfect. Okay. Just pick my nose. Gonna go around again. Oh god, the AC's coming on. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna get it on right now. I'm literally just gonna throw it on. See, it's still going down. Dude. Holy shit. It just went all the way on just perfectly. No bubbles at all. Fuck with me. Literally fuck with me. Alright, I'm turning it back on now. Wow, I have so much power. And my phone is, yeah, so that was like really easy installation. You just gotta make sure you get the screen on before the air conditioner turns on. And, oh shit, now my phone needs to charge. But there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was my review of the screen. I mean, I guess I'll upload another video letting you know, like, you know, how broken it looks in like a couple months when I replace the screen. But for now, easy installation. You can do anything if you set your mind to it.